Okay, here we are. Today, no motor. We are in the loaner boat from Eric. Thanks, Eric. Me and his kid actually just ran bedliner on all the seams to try to waterproof it a little bit. Let's see if you can see inside. See? So apparently she takes on a bit of water, but I'm gonna haul it up to Shannon Lake today with Wendy Bird, and we're gonna go try to catch some bass. So no motors, so I'm grabbing the oars that I actually bought here by fluke at a yard sale, an estate sale. So I stashed those. There's Wendy Bird under the RV. So let's crawl under and get them. All right, boat's there. I rigged up like a little dolly for it because it's got no wheels. We're gonna pre-walk the path and see how far it is. So. Okay, so we didn't go the whole way, but we're gonna drag the boat down here. And while we're sitting here in front of these docks, literally watching bass hit the surface, so.
It's a long boat.
Grab one more strap, we can put the cooler on there.
All right, can you lift it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
all the weights at the back. They don't steer though, I couldn't figure it out.
Oh no!
Yeah, well that was an absolute failure, so we're gonna have to do a couple trips. I don't know. Straight wheels is what we needed. Yeah, I'll just carry it and we'll just have to do a couple trips for the coolers and oars and stuff, so the crazy wheels just don't work. Anyway, you guys see what I go through to make these videos. So if you could like hit that subscribe button, it'd be much appreciated. But we will get this boat down to the lake. My back's gonna hurt for the rest of the week, but we're gonna catch some bass. So yeah, Wendy will film me when I'm carrying it, blah blah blah.
Got it?
Okay.
My strong man. Good. It's heavy?
Oh, yeah, it's heavy.
Oh, gotta get it back up.
Hey, watch out, Wendy, and try not to strain yourself. She's such a helper, always carrying the heavy stuff. I don't know why this boat has so many holes in the bottom. Hey, sweet. It's already my lucky day. Look at that. Samson, that's sweet. Maiden voyage. Shannon Lake. And man, how come I got so many boats called Hope She Floats? We're already taking on water in the front, so we got Wendy in the back. Just to offset.
Is it row easy?
That row is real easy, yeah. Yeah.
I thought that was an animal. That was their lure.
Yeah.
I thought it was a duck or something.
Well, pretty anticlimactic.
Oh, I see. Wait, they say about largemouth. Okay. Oh, poor guy. Oh no.
Fish will pull me, baby.
Yeah.
This is just literally called a wacky rig. You just hang a worm on a hook, and I'm gonna skip it under that dock. Look at the dock. See if I can't. While you're filming, probably not.
All right. It'd be nice.
See that?
Nice shot.
Oh,
Oh, you got a bite?
see a pull?
Yeah, I saw it.
Got him.
You got him? Seriously?
That was a little guy, but got him.
Oh,
Oh, lost him.
yeah, I saw him let go.
Okay, wacky under the tree this time. Shit. Okay, that's all right though.
It's on camera.
Yeah. A little bigger? No. Same little guy.
Oh, look at that.
Like that.
That's not a bass, is it? Oh, it is.
Another largemouth. Not a big one, but
Yeah.
we were seeing bass, but they were big. The big ones weren't biting, and maybe that's why they're big.
Yep.
Like hundreds of fish here.
I think I see it.
Okay. Wendy had to poop. We went to shore, but she's got a bad gut. So we're going home. Talked to a fisherman, got some new tips. We're gonna come back to this lake. A better wheel system. I can't carry that thing anymore. So that's it for day one, Shannon Lake. Well, let's go get the boat. That'll be a fiasco. All right, Wendy had to run off to the bathroom again, so better system. I was able to roll it all the way back. Wendy wasn't much help getting the boat back here, but I got it on the dolly. I'm gonna load it now, but if you take a look, most aluminum boats taking on a little bit of water. That's not too bad for all day. You know what to do. Subscribe. Oh, hit the bell. And, you know, give it a thumbs up. Put it on, share it on Facebook, whatever. And see you on the next one. This was Shannon Lake, West Bank, Kelowna, fishing with Paul B. And Wendy B was with me.
When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B.